Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to change language in League of Legends. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First of all, open your Riot client software, then select League of Legends from here. Now you can see your profile icon, just click on it. Now go to settings. Here you can see the language settings here. It is selected English. You can change it from here. As you can see, I'm selecting Dutch from here. When you confirm this one, you will see an update. When you will update your game, you will see your game language has been changed. So what you have to do, just update your game and enjoy your game with new changed language. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.